Good morning and welcome to the Kepler-Rominfo event in Bucharest. Unfortunately, this time I cannot be there, but I thought I would record a quick presentation to introduce to you Atlassian. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Vlad Cavalcanti. I am a so-called experts manager at Atlassian. Experts manager actually means a channel manager. I'm responsible for our partners, how important they are for us. It's critical. So partners, expert partners as we call them, like Kepler-Rominfo, are the ones who are the face to our customers, the ones who help you guys with implementation, with training, with bespoke development, with everything that Atlassian does not do. We focus on our products, and our experts focus on delivering the best experience out of these products for you. So I would like to just briefly introduce you to Atlassian and our solutions. First of all, just to say that we are in a growth path, an aggressive growth path, I should say. When I joined the company about 4 years ago, we were 450 people. We are now over 1,500. I need to update those slides. So we grow very, very fast. And also in terms of offices and world coverage, we used to have 2 or 3 offices. Now we are 6 offices all scattered around the world so that we can cover the most important territories and provide support to our customers. So what is our mission? We want to unleash the potential in every team. And when we say every team, it is every team in every organization, not only the developers teams, as we will see later on. However, our niche has always been the software development teams. And what we see today is that the software teams are driving innovation inside companies, so that other areas are also adopting it. And in fact, software has changed the world. As Mark Andreessen from HP said years ago, software is eating the world, and that's absolutely true. As we can see, what is a pizza company or a delivery company or a shoe maker have in common? They have software. They are dependent on software. Without their software division, they are no longer competitive, they are no longer productive. So any company, any industry, big, small, middle, they depend on software these days. This is something we take for granted. In our everyday lives today, software is present and we sometimes don't even notice. But this is true. Software is changing the way we're doing business and the way we're living. However, we could see that, again, the same practices, the same methodologies that software teams were using started spreading around to other departments like IT, support, marketing, legal, HR. And our products have been used by those departments more and more, not only by the software industry. So all these teams, they have lots in common, right? They have distributed workforce. They are scattered around different geographies. We all cope with loads and loads of information. Things are changing in a pace that we cannot even keep pace of. And on top of all that, we manage various devices, not only a computer, but also our mobile phones and tablets and whatnot. So these are challenges that all the teams face. And how can we help you guys and all the teams in your organizations to be more productive, more effective, more competitive? So we do that by helping you to organize your work, to be able to discuss ideas, to communicate, to collaborate better with your teams, no matter where they are. And last but not least, to actually deliver the work that you have organized, discussed. So each one of our products help in these 3 areas. I'm not going to delve deep into the products, I'll leave that to our experts, but there are names of the products that you surely know, like Jira, like Confluence, like Jira Service Desk, or even Bitbucket. All of these products, they help our customers to be more organized, to be more collaborative, and to complete their work in a better fashion. But what do we do, what do we offer for each one of the main important teams in an organization, such as the software development teams, the IT teams, and the business teams? Let's take a quick look at that. In terms of software teams, as we know by our products, we help our customers plan and track their work by adopting agile best practices, by managing their projects and planning for it in a better way. We also help them build and ship their products much better by collaborating with code, by being more agile in that sense. A very important part of the usage of our solutions is that you can collaborate, you can create document, you can document your work as you progress on it. And last but not least, the automation of the deployment in a continuous delivery and continuous testing. But for IT teams, they're quite different, aren't they? But at the same time, they have the same requirements from us. For example, in terms of service management, IT teams, unlike software teams, they need to manage incidents, problems, and service requests. They need to provide support to other areas. So that's what we want to facilitate for them with a clean interface so that they can manage those requests in a better way. Make it very simple, very easy. A very important aspect is to create a document knowledge. Sometimes users will try and create a ticket or a request that has already been responded some time ago. So what we do with the integration of our products, just like Confluence and Jira Service Desk, we create a knowledge base so that when you are creating a ticket, there will be sort of a pull-down menu with potential solutions. So maybe you don't even need to create that ticket, which again speeds up and makes it the whole process much easier. And we believe that with that you can bring the team together. So legal and development, or legal and HR and finance, they will be able to connect together by sharing the same interface, by sharing the knowledge, and by having a much easier and cleaner process to ask for help when they need it. Last but not least, we offer solutions for business teams as well. We allow the business teams to organize for their success, making it possible to clearly see the plan. And in every project where there is a workflow, we can help with a very simple version of Jira to organize the work. Manage approval, so who is approving those projects, who is approving each and every step. We can do that also in a very easy interface for non-IT people. Again, we get to that point of discussing, creating and sharing ideas, which is very important for each and every project. And extremely important, in my opinion, is to mitigate the usage of emails. We at Atlassian, we are at war with emails. We believe that we can collaborate and communicate much better without the usage of email chains by using a collaborative solution such as Confluence. Now, the solutions wouldn't be complete if we didn't include also a mention to our marketplace. Marketplace is our platform where third-party vendors can create add-ons to complete the functionality of any of our products. This has been a great success, and we have today over 2,000 add-ons available for you in our marketplace. So in a nutshell, why should anyone choose for Atlassian? Well, we are built for teams. Our products, our solutions are very easy to use and adopt. The versatility and adaptability of our products make it a success. You don't have to adapt your team, your organization to our products. Our products will be adapted to you. They are very customizable. They integrate with whatever you have at the moment. They are open, so you can create integrations if those integrations don't exist already. Atlassian is not a traditional software company. Where there are many companies out there with a untransparent model. We are very transparent. We fit in any budget. You can start adopting our tools for as little as $10 for 10 users, and the pricing is published all over our website. You can check on that, and it's very easy to adopt. That's why we have over 50,000 customers all over the world. Customers that are small, middle-sized, big, enterprise, using our solutions in mission critical, in all sorts of situations. Let me give you some examples that might illustrate how they use our products. Tesla. We are very proud of having Tesla as a customer of Atlassian. As you know, Tesla has been responsible for a true revolution in the automobile industry, as they create these efficient cars that are environmentally friendly. They have stepped up the technology in a great way. And again, we are very proud because they use practically the whole stack of Atlassian products, from the software developments that they do, from design, from HR, finance, marketing. They use all the stack of Atlassian products to become more efficient and deliver the best products that they do to their customers. Another example is the Daily Telegraph, one of the biggest newspapers in the world and #1 in the UK. So Daily Telegraph uses a stack of our products as well, but very importantly, the Jira Service Desk, which you will see later on during this day, is used by the Daily Telegraph to help their IT departments be more efficient and reach out to other areas of their company. Splunk, as you know, the big data company, they had a challenge, which was to migrate their development from Subversion to Git. And as you know, that could be a challenge that some companies face. But by using Bitbucket, that challenge was mitigated. It was much easier, and now they adopted Git in a large scale thanks to Atlassian. Coorg is a very interesting company. I don't know if you know it, but I recommended it to my son, as he loves playing with games, and Coorg gives children the basic knowledge of programming, so as to hopefully that they will be interested and become software developers. This platform uses Jira, Confluence, Bitbucket to develop itself, and they have been a great success. Cochlear is another company, an Australian company, that helps improve the world for people who cannot hear well. And again, they used Atlassian to develop their products and improve on it. Sophies is a famous auction company, and they use Jira Service Desk to manage the logistics of sending the pieces of art from one place to another and organize their auctions. And last but not least, Twitter. They have had a fantastic improve on their productivity by reducing the usage of email up to 80% thanks to Jira Service Desk. Now every request, every support request, everything that the other departments need to reach IT is used by Jira Service Desk instead of email. Right, this is the end of the presentation. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you a great day with the Kepler-Rominfo event. Thank you. Have a nice day.